Hi, I'm Kate from StudySense, where we help students with ADHD and executive functioning challenges feel capable and in control of their learning. If your teen is always rushing, missing deadlines, or hearing "hurry up" on repeat, you're not alone. Today, I'm sharing how to help your teen build time management skills that actually stick. Time management is one of the most common struggles for teens, especially those with ADHD. The part of the brain responsible for planning and time awareness, the prefrontal cortex, doesn't fully develop until the mid-20s. That means your teen isn't lazy. They just haven't mastered the skills yet. Start with empathy, not expectation. Instead of starting with a lecture, start with curiosity. Ask questions like, what part of your day feels most rushed? When do you feel most in control of your time? You'll learn what's actually getting in the way, and they'll feel supported, not judged. Make time visible. Time is abstract. Help them see it by estimating how long tasks will take, then timing it. Using visual or digital timers. Breaking the day into chunks instead of saying, you have the afternoon. Plan the week together. Teens often don't connect today's choices to Friday's test or Wednesday's practice. Once a week, Sunday evenings work well. Sit down and add all fixed commitments to a planner. Plug in study, homework, rest, and fun time. Color code if that helps them process visually. Backward plan big assignments. For long-term projects, note the due date. Break it into smaller steps. Assign each step to a day or week. Coach them through this at first. Over time, they'll do it themselves. Create predictable routines. Decision fatigue is real. Create after-school, weekend, or bedtime routines so they don't have to decide every step. Start small. Pick one time of day and build from there. Time management isn't about doing more. It's about using time well. That means taking short breaks while working, scheduling downtime. Helping your teen manage their time is about building skills, not micromanaging. With patience and practice, they can become more organized, confident, and independent. At StudySense, we teach these skills every day. If you'd like support for your teen, reach out for a free consult.